Alright guys, so here's my review on my cool boxing game. As you can see, it comes with 2 sets of gloves, a cool light meter to keep track of all the punches, especially for multiplayer, and here's what it looks like. Okay, so here is the Blazart boxing game already set up. As you can see, I do have it just a little darker just so you can see how cool this light is. We're going to go ahead and do a 2-player mode where me and my wife are going to play it together. As you can see, it'll have some Velcro in the bag, just like how I showed you. I do also have some hooks here just for extra reinforcement. And this will stick onto most walls. So it is ready to go. It's got 1-player, 2-player, and up to 3-player. So that's very cool. So it's fun for playing with your kids or your family, with anybody, right? So, and it'll help you keep yourself in shape. So let's go ahead and start playing and see how it works. Alright guys, and this is what it actually looks like once it's in use. This actually turned out to be a lot funner than I thought. The lights actually keep you entertained as well as help you keep track of all the punches that you are throwing. As you can see, we had a nice little battle. Definitely if you're looking for a cool boxing game to have fun or keep in shape, this is definitely one that I recommend. Definitely a 10 out of 10.